Dear viewer, Assalamu Alaikum. I am Engineer Muhammad Rezaul Haq. Welcome to my Automation Tools YouTube channel. Today I will show how to install, connection and configure a Panasonic PA intercom set. So let's start. First I am showing the different part of this Panasonic PA set. Here is the battery. Here you can install the 1.5 volt 3 batteries. This battery will be if we use this battery, the configuration will be safe. If this battery will be a problem, then configuration will be changed. It is the handset connection. I connect this different part of this Panasonic set. Here the power of adapter, we supply the power connection in the set. I am connecting this power cable in the power slot, and after connecting this set side, I connecting in the power, I supply the power supply connection. Now I am showing the connection. It is the incoming line from is connected to source. Incoming line, then it connect the PA set by intercom connection. One side connect to the PA set, and another side as I am connecting with the MD or boss side set. It is the line 1/2 port. You have to connect the same port. This is the two adapter connection, and this is the on connection. Now I am showing you the configuration. Personal assistant side by PA side set configuration. First, you can after power up, you can set the clock of this set. Clock setting. You see, now I am setting the clock and date of this configuration date. Here you can set your desired date and time. You can set. Now I am showing you how can you set this time and date. Only select and press the numeric letter and press the enter button. Press the shift or enter button. First you see that first is the month, then the date or date, then the year. So you have to be sequentially save, enter and save. Then you go to the next programming mode. Here you can save the send the different parameter for your configuration. Here you see the M1 M2 button. Here you can send. Here you can put the name of this set. It is a PA set or that means MD side set. You can set this here, and also you can set the phone number of this set. Here you can enter the phone number of this set. This set phone number you can enter is here. You see, I am entering the phone number of this set. After entering this phone number, you can press the enter button, and you showing the mode number M1, M2 or M3. M3 is safe, or press the M3 and the number is safe. Then I am go to the next option. So go to the function mode, and you go to the LCD contrast. It is the display contrast. You go to this option, and here you can change the display brightness, low, down, high. You can set as per your requirement. So I am setting as high, and press the, after setting this, press enter, and the configuration is safe. Then go to the next option. For next option, we go to next option, and the next option is ringer setting, ringer volume. The volume as you need to desire is low or high or medium, and here is the line 1, line 2 and intercom. You select one by one. Line 1 is incoming line, line 2 incoming line, and intercom setting. All the option you can set the volume as per your desire or requirement. And also you can set is that the ringer off mode. So after setting, we go to the ringer pattern. Here you can set the ringtone, different types of ringtone. Here you can select an up and down, then you can find the different of ringtones as per your choice. You can set this ringtone at line 1, line 2 or intercom. You different incoming line, and you can set different ringtone. So after setting this, you press the enter button. You can check and select this, press enter. Then after this option, you go to the next option. Next option is a incoming call. Incoming call is a ringing or pulse ring. You can set the ring mode. Ring mode means that ring after until you receive the call, it will be ring on. So the tone on. So it is set on tone on and press the save button. Then go to the next option that we have to be configured. Go to function again and go to the dial setting. In dial setting, go to dial mode, and dial mode you can set the pulse or ring mode. It is set the tone mode and press enter button. Then you go to the flash time. It is the flash time when the ring will be, when the call is incoming, then the display will be flash, and you can set this time. Default is 600 ms. You can set this and go to the call restriction. In call restriction mode, here you can set 00. So press 00 and press the enter button. I have reminded you that it is the personal assistant site set configuration. First I am showing the PA set setting, PA set site setting. It is the PA set configuration, but I am setting the set which are used in the personal assistant site. This set is used, so I am configuring this set. Personal assistant site set and the MDBA boss site set configuration some has a difference. It is the line selection. We select the line 1, so we select line 1 and press the enter button. We have used the when I show the connection diagram, here I use the line 1 button, so we select the line 1 configuration. Then you go to the call version, you have select in rejection mode. Then we go to the next option. It is the at this option we set the caller ID edit. Auto edit you can set this on default setting and press the save bar. Now we set the extension number where you want to, you see all extension number is flashing, so extension not is selected. So we select the extension number 1 to 8 and press the enter button. We select the 1 and press the enter. You see, press enter and you see no extension LED is flashing. That means an extension setting is completed. So dear friend, our personal assistant set configuration is completed. I am showing the different option. It is a setting is 100% okay or not. So I am checking some of this setting. This okay. This is the main is extension setting and the line setting. So I am changing it is extension number 1 and all is completed. Now I will show how can we set the managing director or boss site set. So power of this set, and here you also you can set the different option that you already configured in the personal assistant set. Here also you set the same configuration is here, but some option you have to be set different. If you same configure, you cannot be transfer this call. So first we set the clock of this set. This is the managing director site set. The set is used in the where the managing director is same seat. There here you use this set. Your boss will be sit here, and this set is used there. So I have set the different option. Already complete the clock setting. Now we are setting the that means the different option. we set the contrast, LED contrast display, so you can set at your desire. Mainly you have to be change the setting in the incoming line, the tone setting, ringer volume, and the extension number. Here we have to be change this configuration between the line and the Intercom set. So after setting this ringer volume, you see here ringer volume is very important. We have set the line 1 and set the ringer off. That means when the call is incoming, then the both set is call is coming, but in the PA set it will be ringing, and the MD or boss side this call will not be ringing. It is the ringer off. So we select the line 1 and press the ringer volume is off. And here the different types of ringtone setting. You can set this in incoming call. Here you can tone or false. Here you can set, if you tone it will always be in ring. So we set the ringtone. You can set the MD side is tone 2. Then you go to the another option. So I am showing you the another option that we have to be set. So dial setting, go to dial setting and set the tone types, tone or false. You can set here. It is the setting that it is the will be ringing, always ringing, or pulse ringing. Pulse ringing means it will one times ring and then off. Tone means it is the always ringing before until you have received the call. You can set the flash time. It flash the default time. It is in 600 milliseconds. So you can select this and press enter. Then you go to the call rejection, call restriction setting. Here you can set the 00, no problem. Then you go to the another option, go back or exit, or you can remove this receiver from this set. It will go to the main menu. So set this and go to the another option, go to line selection. It is line incoming because we have used the, when we show the connection, we have used the line 1 by 2. So we select the line 1 and press the enter. It is the most important setting. You have to be reminded that the most important setting is line 1, incoming line, ringer volume, extension setting. This is the 3 is the most important setting. This setting is different between this PA set and the MD set. If you making this any mistake to setting this, you cannot transfer this call from PS side to MD side or direct boss side. So you have to be carefully set these 3 options, 3 inputs. So I am going to the another setting option. Here go to the assign extension, and you see all the LEDs flashing. That means extension not is set. So in setting the extension, we set in PA site as a 1, and here you set the go to extension site with setting is 1. I check the extension setting, go to extension setting. You see, if you open the headset, you can see the setting of this. Here you can set the different parameter you have already set. You can check. Now if I open the headset, you can change the extension number. So you see line 1 in extension 1. You have set the extension is 1. You see extension 1 and line is 1. So dear friend, MD side set configuration completed. Now I will show the call. Now I test this. I am making a call in the PA set. The MD set, you see the incoming call is line is 1 and call is incoming. That means it is the, so you know how to transfer. You press the whole button. When you press the whole button and select the extension number where you want to transfer this call, you see this is 1. You see the call is go to the empty side set. That means it is ringing. You see, line 1 incoming and receive that. This is empty side set. Extension 1 call from the extension 1. That means our setting is completed and our headset is working is smoothly. That means our configuration complete and the all is working smoothly. So dear friend, if you like my video, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Also like, comments and share. Thanks for watching.